How to log in cex.io application. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are trying to access your cex.io account but not sure how to log in, first of all, launch open the cex.io app on your smartphone and make sure you're inside this welcome screen. To sign into your account, make sure to select the same method that you previously chose while creating your account. If you previously created an account with Google or Apple, select the same method. Since I created an account with email, I'm going to have to tap on the sign in button at the bottom. Now on the next page, enter your valid email address associated with your account and go to the next field. Enter your password associated with your account. If you don't remember the password, tap on the forgot password link and follow through the password reset process. After filling in your password and then your email, click on login at the bottom of the screen and you'll be able to sign into your account. If you have two-factor authentication turned on, you need to go ahead and complete your two-factor authentication. Once the login is successful, you can easily check your balance, trade crypto, deposit or withdraw funds. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.